I've been there. I know you've been there. Nothing can be more frustrating than when you need information from somebody, you need an answer, and they simply won't share with you. They don't feel comfortable talking to you about that subject. Most of us just back off and leave it alone. But unfortunately, there's times in our life, right? Like let's say you want a promotion or you want to know if somebody's cheating on you and you need to get them to talk even when they're uncomfortable about it. I want you to try the next time you're in one of those situations, these two super powerful, super easy little psychological hacks, okay? Let's say you're asking your boss for a raise. The first hack is if your boss doesn't answer, I just want you to use the power of silence. Just maintain eye contact with them and don't start speaking. Far too often, we don't want to sit through a couple seconds of uncomfortable silence, so we bail them out. Don't do that. So it sounds like this. Hey boss, does it make sense to promote me to regional manager? Boss doesn't answer. I just want you to look at the boss and wait for an answer. Trust me, it's going to be uncomfortable for you, but it's going to be more uncomfortable for them. Studies show he's only going to have to wait 4 seconds to respond. They'll break, trust me. Now let's say your boss does give you the information, but it's not what you wanted to hear or it's incomplete. I want you to use the second psychological hack. I want you to mirror. Mirroring is just repeating back the last 2 to 4 words that somebody told you. So it sounds like this. Hey boss, does it make sense to promote me to regional manager? You wait. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't? Yeah, we haven't started interviewing for that position yet. You haven't started interviewing? Yeah, we're gonna start interviewing for that maybe Tuesday. So here's the thing: if you could put together kind of a summary of what you're doing. I know you've worked with us for a while, but put together your resume and kind of the reasons why you think you should be regional manager. I'll make sure that I put you on the list for interviews on Tuesday. Yeah, that sounds perfect. I'll get something to you by the end of the day today. Fair enough? Yeah, that works for me. Notice how most of the time we bail out too soon. We don't wait for that answer using silence. And then we hear something like, oh, no, it doesn't. And we go, okay, I guess I'll never get promoted. No matter what that subject is, when somebody doesn't want to share with you, I want you to use the power of silence and the power of marrying. You're going to be shocked at how well you do. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.